If you want to learn how to embed multiple YouTube feeds inside your WordPress website, you've clicked on the right video. I'll be showing you how to embed your YouTube videos in beautiful and responsive feeds like this using the Smashballoon YouTube Feed Pro plugin. I'll be demonstrating using the Pro version of the plugin, but we do have a free version available in the WordPress repository with less features. To purchase and download YouTube Feed Pro, head over to smashballoon.com, and once purchased, you can find your download link and license key for the plugin inside your Smashballoon account. Download YouTube Feed Pro and head over to your WordPress dashboard. Inside your dashboard, hover over Plugins on the left-hand side and click on Add New. Then click on Upload Plugin at the top and upload the zip file for YouTube Feed Pro, just like this, and click Install Now. Then go and activate plugin. Here we go, YouTube Feed Pro has now been installed and activated. But before we can create our YouTube feeds, we have one last step. On the left-hand side, you can now see YouTube Feed, hover over it like this, and click on Settings. And beside license key, we can go ahead and paste the license key from our Smashballoon account like this, and click on Activate. And now our license key has been activated, so we can begin creating our first YouTube feed. On the left-hand side, under YouTube Feed once again, go and click on All Feeds. Then click on Add New at the top. And for the first step when creating a YouTube feed, we'll have to select the feed type. With YouTube Feed Pro, we have many feed types to select from, such as creating a feed of videos from any YouTube channel, a feed of videos from any YouTube playlist, a feed of videos that we favorited, and more below. For this video, I want to show you how to create two different YouTube feeds. For the first one, let's go with the channel feed type that's already selected for us here, so we can go click on Next. Then you'll see a pop-up here asking us to enter our YouTube API key. I've already got mine ready, but if you want to learn how to create one for yourself, you can click on a video tutorial on the top right corner of your screen, or you can follow a written guide, which I've shared with you in the description of this video. Once you have your API key, click on Add API Key, paste it here like this. And for our next step, we'll have to enter the channel ID or username for the channel we want to display on our feed. In this example, I'm going to display the videos from the Smashballoon YouTube channel. I've got the channel ID ready, so I can paste it here like this and click Next. And for our last step, we'll have to select from one of these professionally designed templates for the layout of our YouTube feed. We have options like the default, carousel, cards, list, and more below. For our first feed, let's go with the gallery layout. You can select it like this and click Next. And straight away, you can see a live preview of our new YouTube feed inside the plugin. All the latest videos from the Smashballoon YouTube channel are displayed inside this feed in this gallery template. At the top, we have the latest video in a larger size, a subscribe button, and the rest of the videos from the channel below. We can now go and embed this on our WordPress webpage, but let me show you how we can customize it first. On the left-hand side, under the Customize tab, go into Feed Layout. Inside, you'll find several options to modify the layout of your YouTube feed. Under Layout, you can see we currently have the gallery layout selected, which I just described to you earlier. Apart from that, you can also go with the Grid layout, which displays your videos in rows and columns like this, followed by the List layout, which displays your videos in a single column list like this. And lastly, we also have a Carousel layout, which allows site visitors to swipe through your videos just by clicking on these buttons. For this feed, let's continue with the gallery layout. And if you look down below, you can also choose how many columns you want to display inside your YouTube feed. Currently, we have 3 selected for desktop, but if you want to change this, all you have to do is type in the number of columns you want to display, just like this. And you can see straight away that change has been made inside the live preview on the right-hand side. I'm going to change that back to 3. And below that, you can also choose how many videos you want to display inside the feed initially. Once you're happy with the layout of your YouTube feed, make sure to hit Save on the top right corner. Next, if you want to modify the color scheme for your YouTube feed, go into Color Scheme on the left-hand side. You can see currently it's set to Inherit from Theme, which means that the plugin will automatically match the colors from your WordPress theme. Otherwise, you can go with a light theme, dark theme, or even a custom theme that allows you to select the exact colors you want for your feed, just like this. But once you have a color scheme you're happy with, go and click on Save on the top right corner. Lastly, if you want to choose the exact videos you want to display inside your feed, go into the Settings tab and click on Filters and Moderation. And just below, you can add filters to show or hide posts containing those words. And below that, at the bottom, you can also add video IDs to hide specific videos from your feed too. And if you add any filters, don't forget to save your changes on the top right corner. Now that you know how to create and customize your YouTube feed, let me show you how we can embed it on our WordPress webpage. To do that, all you have to do is click on Embed on the top right corner, copy your dedicated shortcode, and click on Add to a Page. Next, select the page you want to embed your feed to, and click on Add. That will take you to your WordPress webpage, and inside, you have 2 different options to embed your YouTube feed. First option is by using the shortcode block and pasting that shortcode that we just copied earlier like this. Alternatively, if you're using Block Editor, you can use our dedicated Feeds for YouTube block like this. And instantly, you can see a live preview of our new YouTube feed directly inside your WordPress webpage. We can now click on Update and check out what it looks like on the live WordPress website. And here we are on our live website, and you can see our new YouTube feed directly inside our WordPress webpage. Our latest YouTube video is at the top here in a gallery layout, followed by the rest of the videos in a grid layout below. And right in the middle, you can also see our subscribe bar, which shows a channel profile picture, channel name, number of subscribers, and a subscribe button as well. If you click on it, that takes you directly to your YouTube channel with a prompt here asking the visitor if they'd like to subscribe. And if a site visitor wants to check out any of the videos on your feed, all they have to do is click on it like this, and it will start playing immediately inside your YouTube feed directly on your WordPress webpage. Now let me show you how we can create and embed a second YouTube feed, but this time inside the sidebar of our website. Back inside the plugin, you can see I have a new Instagram feed here, and this time I'm displaying videos from our YouTube playlist. And the template I've selected is the widget template here as well. So our feed is now ready to be embedded inside the sidebar of our website. To embed it, click on Embed once again. You can copy your dedicated shortcode, and instead of clicking on Add to a page, go and click on Add to a widget. This brings us into the WordPress widgets menu. And to embed our YouTube feed in the sidebar, we have the same two options as before. We can either use our dedicated feed for YouTube block, or we can use the shortcode block and paste the shortcode we copied earlier like this. Now we can click on Update and check out what it looks like on the live web page. Back on our live WordPress web page, right in the middle, we have that first YouTube feed we created earlier in the gallery layout. But now on the right hand side, we also have a second YouTube feed directly inside the sidebar. Just like with the first YouTube feed, site visitors can click on any of the videos inside this feed to watch them directly inside the sidebar of our website. And at the bottom, you can even click on Load More to load even more videos directly inside the sidebar. So you now know how to embed multiple YouTube feeds on your WordPress website, whether it's on your WordPress webpage or as a widget on your sidebar. If you have any questions about what I covered in this video, please let me know in the comments down below. If you have any technical issues, please contact your awesome support team. They'd be happy to help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn about social media marketing tips to help you grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.